draw and paint pumpkins using chalk pastels and starch. Chalk pastels are a fun art medium to use unless you do not like the feel of blending the chalk with your fingers. This lesson is going to help you because you're not going to blend it with your fingers. You're going to blend it with a paintbrush dipped in starch. First, you're going to draw your pumpkin. One oval and then a couple of curved lines on either side of that oval. Add some swatches of the chalk to color your pumpkin just a little bit. You don't need to color it in because we're going to move the chalk around with the starch. But just put some different colors on there just to give your pumpkin some highlights and shadows, and it's just going to help it be a little more fancy. Now I'm going to grab my paintbrush and I'm going to dip it in that fabric starch. I'm just going to start painting my pumpkin, and it will move that starch around and blend it just like paint. Actually, it has a watercolor effect in the end. You really do need to try this. It's lots of fun. We hope you enjoy this lesson, and we'll hit the red button that says subscribe so you'll know when we add to our fall playlist. That link is in the description below. And most importantly, we pray you forget not the Lord and all his benefits.